Elegant dining, explore stunning rectangular tables. Hello there, furniture enthusiasts. Welcome back to Furniture Suite, your go-to channel for all things stylish and functional in the world of furniture. I'm thrilled to have you with me for the second part of our dining table design collection, to explore a fantastic range of rectangular dining tables that'll elevate your dining experience to a whole new level. Nature's elegance, the wooden wonder. The wooden rectangular dining table. This exquisite piece of furniture is the epitome of elegance and durability, and it seamlessly complements a wide range of decor styles. Crafted with precision and artistry, the wooden rectangular dining table embodies the warmth of nature within your home. Its rich wood grains tell stories of time past and memories made, making it not just a piece of furniture but a cherished part of your family's history. From rustic charm to modern minimalism, this table is a versatile chameleon that effortlessly adapts to your evolving style preferences. Whether you're hosting a cozy family dinner or an elaborate gathering of friends, this dining table stands ready to be the center of attention, setting the stage for unforgettable moments. The carefully selected wood, the meticulous craftsmanship, and the timeless design all come together to create a piece that not only serves as a functional dining surface but also as a work of art. Its sturdiness ensures it will be passed down through generations, becoming a cherished heirloom in your home. So, if you're seeking a dining table that exudes timeless elegance and remarkable durability while seamlessly blending with any decor style, look no further than the wooden rectangular dining table. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a statement of your style, a testament to your taste, and the heart of your dining experience. Next up, we have a dining table that redefines the very essence of dining comfort, the upholstered dining table with a wooden back. This exquisite piece is the perfect marriage of comfort and style, promising you a dining experience like no other, all while maintaining the highest standards of aesthetics. Picture this: you're seated at the table, and as you lean back against the plush upholstery, you instantly feel cocooned in relaxation. The cushioned seating not only cradles you in comfort but also invites you to linger at the table, enjoying those long, heartfelt conversations with loved ones well into the night. But here's where the magic truly happens: the wooden back. It's a stunning fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision and artistry, it adds a touch of rustic charm and natural elegance to your dining area. The wooden backrest is not just a design element, it's a statement of craftsmanship and durability. This dining table effortlessly blends into a variety of interior design styles, from classic to contemporary. Whether your home exudes a cozy, farmhouse vibe or boasts sleek, modern lines, this piece adapts and enhances your decor, becoming the focal point of your dining space. Every inch of this table is designed with your comfort and style in mind, creating an atmosphere that encourages you to savor every bite, every conversation, and every moment spent around it. It's more than just a piece of furniture, it's an experience. So, if you're in search of a dining table that offers the perfect blend of comfort and style, the upholstered dining table with a wooden back is the answer. It's a plush retreat for your dining pleasures without compromising on the aesthetics that elevate your living space. Moving forward, let's shift our focus to the enchanting rectangular dining table with upholstered chairs. Elegance in every seat, the upholstered ensemble. This ensemble is a true testament to the art of dining, inviting you not only to dine in luxurious comfort but also to infuse an undeniable touch of sophistication into your dining area. Opulent comfort: imagine sinking into the plush embrace of these upholstered chairs as you gather around the rectangular dining table. The cushioned seats cradle you in opulent comfort, transforming your dining experience into a moment of relaxation and indulgence. Every meal becomes an occasion, and every gathering feels like a celebration. Sophisticated elegance: what sets this ensemble apart is the infusion of sophistication it brings to your dining area. The combination of the sleek, rectangular table and the elegantly upholstered chairs creates an ambience of refined style. The attention to detail in both design and upholstery elevates the aesthetic of your dining space to new heights. Versatility meets beauty: much like the previous designs, this one boasts versatility. Whether your interior style leans towards classic, contemporary, or somewhere in between, the rectangular dining table with upholstered chairs effortlessly complements your decor. It serves as a versatile canvas upon which you can create the dining area of your dreams. A gathering place: beyond being a practical dining setup, this ensemble becomes the heart of your home, a place where family and friends come together to share stories, laughter, and delicious meals. It encourages connections, fostering a sense of togetherness and unity in your household. If you're searching for a dining ensemble that seamlessly blends luxury and style, look no further. Stay tuned to Furniture Suite for more captivating designs that will transform your home's interior. Don't forget to subscribe for a world of inspiration and elegance. Your dining area is about to reach new heights of sophistication. Prepare to embark on a journey of unparalleled luxury redefined, the leather elegance, as we introduce the rectangular dining table featuring leather chairs. This ensemble is not just a dining set, it's a testament to opulence, a statement piece that reflects your impeccable taste and elevates your dining experience to extraordinary heights. Sumptuous comfort. The first thing you'll notice as you sit down at this dining table are the sumptuous leather chairs. They exude an air of opulence that's unmatched. The feel of genuine leather against your skin is pure indulgence, making every meal an extravagant affair. These chairs aren't just for dining, they're for reveling in the lap of luxury. Every meal becomes an occasion, and every gathering an event when you choose. Now, let's turn our attention to the versatile and inclusive rectangular dining table with chairs and a dining stool. This dining set is not just a practical choice, it's a solution that caters to all your seating needs, ensuring that everyone feels welcome and comfortable at the dinner table. Inclusive seating. One of the standout features of this dining set is its inclusivity. It provides a range of seating options to accommodate various preferences and needs. The chairs offer traditional seating comfort, while the dining stool adds a unique twist, allowing for flexible seating arrangements. This thoughtful design ensures that no one's left out at the dinner table, making it perfect for households with varying seating requirements. Adaptable to various occasions, whether you're hosting a family dinner, a casual brunch with friends, or a more formal gathering, this dining set adapts effortlessly. The combination of chairs and a dining stool allows you to configure the seating arrangement to suit the occasion, making it a versatile choice for any event. Now, for the grand finale, let us introduce you to the piece de resistance of our dining table design collection, the Deco Paint Rectangular Dining Table. A true masterpiece that adds artistic flair to your dining space. With its intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and geometric designs, it pays homage to the Art Deco movement, creating a timeless and elegant atmosphere. This table transforms every meal into an artistic experience, infusing your dining area with a sense of style that's both inviting and visually captivating. Complementing the Deco Paint Rectangular Dining Table are the Deco Dining Chairs. These chairs are functional pieces of art with upholstery that mirrors the intricate patterns and colors of the table. Not only do they add to the artistic aesthetics of your dining area, but they also offer generous cushioning for a comfortable dining experience. Together with the table, the chairs create a cohesive and visually striking dining setting, making every meal a memorable occasion filled with style and comfort. Stay tuned for more remarkable designs to elevate your spaces. Subscribe now and never miss out on the beauty and innovation coming your way.